Wade from the ground. 4 points in a row for Dwayne Wade. The Heat have scored 4 in a row. It's 101-100. And this is the closest Miami's been in the fourth quarter. They had the game tied at 71 and 77. There's Youngest hit. G couldn't hold it. Now he can take the lead. And LeBron James was fouled on a hand-checking call. Daniel Gibson picks up the foul. His third and the 14th foul on Cleveland. His third.
Rest of the quarter now. Both teams are in the penalty.
Heat have won 3 in a row against Cleveland in 6 of the last 7. LeBron has gone 6-1 against his former team.
He tried the same play on that elbow, Eric, that they ran before with Ray Allen coming off that little bump by Chris Bosh.
Wade will go to the free throw line and try to give Miami the lead. It's been a long time since Miami's led in this game. Matter of fact, the Heat's last lead came with 7.5 minutes left in the first quarter when it was 12-11. That would constitute as a long time.
Seemed like last night. Good baseline out of